at the Quartzite RV show. Pretty good sized RV show in Quartzite, Arizona. Yeah, boat.
Oh man, let's get a bag.
Plug it in for 3 seconds. It switches on for 12 hours and puts the battery on.
Just looked at some of the Montanas. Some nice fifth wheels. That's a bunk. Interesting though. Got a bunk up there. Bunks back here.
That's interesting.
Bathroom back here.
The bunkhouse, huh?
Yeah. '97. Nice Can-Am. Little teardrop that I want to build. It's got air conditioning here on the side. I like that idea. Doesn't take up too much room there. That's a small. Huh. Yeah, I've been wanting to build a teardrop. Trying to figure out how to put an air conditioner in there. It looks like a good way of doing it. And we have all kinds of vendors, several rows. We're tired of walking already, right?
Right.
So now we're back in the tent, and it's getting really crowded. So I set up the drone to give you an idea of what the Quartzite area looks like. First part is part of the La Posa long-term visitor area, dry camping, and then we swing around to the Quartzite RV show itself, spread out with the big tent. As we do a 360 around the area, we'll show you some of the downtown of Quartzite. Small city, not very populated in the summertime, gets pretty hot here. A lot of old mining in the area, a lot of old mine shafts. The mountains are fun to explore, just hundreds of miles of trails, off-road trails to explore. The La Posa long-term camping area, that's dry camping. They do have some pit toilets, they've got some water faucets where you can fill up your tanks, and they have a couple dump stations out there. You can stay up to 7 months for $180. There is water trucks that come by and fill you up. There's trucks that'll come out and offload the waste. And there's snowbirds that come out here and spend the whole winter. If you wanted to spend a week, it's like $40 for a permit, and it covers over 11,400 acres. Pretty neat area.